everybody, welcome to my new channel, How To Heartwarmers. I want to share with you all my DIYs and recipes that I do for my family on Christmas, birthdays, Easter and many other special occasions. If you like to make every moment something special to share and to remember, you will love my channel and everything that I have planned for Christmas this year. Today I'm starting my very first Christmas video with this beautiful fruit Christmas tree. I will start washing and drying a lettuce with paper towel. Then I will cut a third of the lettuce to create the base for my fruit Christmas tree. To decorate the tray that I'm using to serve my fruit Christmas tree, I'm gonna use some mint leaves. They will give a beautiful Christmas wreath effect around my fruit tree, and they also smell amazing. I love to use mint leaves this time of the year to decorate desserts and cakes, as they have a very beautiful festive look. In the end of the video, I will fill my mint wreath with some strawberries and some other fruits. Now, to create the tree effect, I'm going to use a carrot, but it needs to be a big one. I will chop the base of my carrot and cut a hole on the lettuce base. I will then break my cocktail sticks in two and attach 4 pieces to my carrot, as you can see me doing in this video. After that, all you need to do is to attach the carrot to the lettuce and then start filling up your tree. To fill my tree, I used approximately 600 grams of strawberries and 800 grams of green grapes. I use the strawberries and grapes because they don't bleed. They don't have a lot of juices leaking in my tray. If you use kiwis or apples, then you have to prepare your tree just before serving. If you prefer to create your tree in advance, then go for fruits like tangerines and grapes. I have seen some videos using a pineapple and a pear for the base of your tree. They are very nice, but for the same reason, I prefer to use a lettuce and a carrot instead, as the pineapple will leave your tray with a lot of liquid. To make your fruit last longer and to prepare it in advance, always go for fruits with less leakage of juices. To fill up my tree, I'm going to break all my cocktail sticks in two. I always use the point of the cocktail stick to attach that to the lettuce, as the lettuce is a bit harder than the fruit. That makes my life much more easy. And then I'm going to use different sizes of fruit to fill up any gaps, particularly in this area between the lettuce and the carrot. I like to use bigger fruit to make it more proportional, to give that effect of a real Christmas tree. If there are any gaps left, don't worry, in the end I'm going to use some stars, which I'm gonna make them with melons, and also some tangerines to fill up any remaining gaps. prefer to use the green grapes and strawberries because I think the green grapes will give that traditional Christmas tree look with the red bubbles, and that's what I'm going for. However, you can create whatever you want. You can create chocolate decorations, you can use sugar to make it look like there is some snow in your tree. So get creative and don't forget to wash really well all your fruits before serving. Our fruit tree is almost all complete, and to decorate any gaps I will cut some slices of melon with my cookies cutter. I like to make stars, but you can cut any shapes you prefer. Don't forget that the melon slices need to be a bit thick as they will be attached to the tree with some cocktail sticks. To do that, I prefer to cut the cocktail sticks a bit longer. Don't cut them in the middle, as this will give you more height to attach your stars or your decorations to the tree and to fill up any gaps. Another suggestion is to cut your melon slices with the initials of your family. How cute is that? I really like to create shapes with my cookies cutter. After my tree was complete, I decided to use some tangerine slices and tangerine pieces to fill up any remaining gaps, and I really like how the tangerine added a bit of color to the tree. I also had some strawberries and some melon stars remaining, and I used them to decorate my wreath. And that's the final result of our beautiful fruit Christmas tree. I think it's big, it's colorful, it's festive, and it's very impressive to have this beautiful tree on your Christmas table. And it's also a lot of fun to do that with your kids on Christmas Eve. I think you can take a good half an hour or an hour to do that with your kids, and it's a lot of fun for the entire family. I would serve that with some chocolate ganache or some chocolate fondue, and I also would use some powdered sugar or some shredded coconut to make it look like snow. If you enjoyed my fruit Christmas tree and you love to watch Christmassy videos, don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to our brand new channel. I'm Christmas mad and I have a lot of Christmas DIYs and recipes to share with you this year. So don't forget to subscribe and to watch everything that we have prepared especially for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.